John here from the Professional Nail School and Beauty Academy, and after about 5 weeks wait I finally received my practice hand from Handolly, and I can't wait to open it and see what's inside. So let's have a look. So what we've got the hand, which is very lifelike. Even comes with a little ring on it, and you've got these tips that you can attach tips to practice with, or you could just paint these tips or whatever. So that's the hand. So it's very lifelike. Fingers all move, they're bendable, and you can put them into different shapes and so on. And this is going to be great for photography because it actually looks like a real hand. You've got your little stand here which you can clamp onto your table, and you adjust it with this screw here, and then you fit the hand onto this ball here on the end. Also in the kit is included a sleeve which you can put over this section and onto the hand, especially for photography, so it looks kind of real. It looks like a real hand. We've got some tips. These tips here, there's 1 to 10 I believe, and of course these are to go onto the fingers here so that you can attach other tips too. We've got a photography mat. This one side it's all like this sort of pastel-y colours, and on the other side we've got a white sparkly version on that side. So you've got two sides to your photography set photographs against. We've got some sculptor tips here which are great, so we'll try those out as well. Quite like those. I've got my own favourites, but these look quite interesting. We've got some little jewels here which I didn't expect to get those, but they're little things that you can stick onto the nails. And quite a surprise was to get this actual torch in here, which is an LED torch. It's got LED here, and this is really useful when you're sculpting gel, where you can just, when you put some gel on, to stop it running, you can just zap it quickly for 5 or 6 seconds with this, and then the gel will no longer move, and then you can carry on and move to the next nail and so on. So that was quite a useful little thing. You can get these off eBay or Amazon. They're not very expensive, probably around about £2.50. They're also good for setting jewels onto nails, particularly large jewels that might move before you put them into the lamp. So you can just set them in place just with this, and then you can put them then underneath the lamp for the full cure time. So that's everything that comes in our kit. And with these here, I don't know whether we can see this, can we? Yeah, we can, yeah. Okay, so this is going to just fit, I'm going to fit it to this glass section here, and I'm going to screw that down so that it's really tight onto there. And you can buy these spares in case you damage it or break it or whatever. So once it's really tight on your place, you can then, I think I'll put the sleeve on. So let's see, which way round should we have it? We'll have it that. Should we have it that way? We've got a fancy end and we've got a plain end. I'll put the plain end. So that goes onto there just to cover that up. And then just pull that along like this, and then you can put your hand onto here with the ball, push it right inside so that it's a firm fit, and then you can just bring that over there like that, and that kind of makes it look even more like a real hand. And of course you can adjust this by bending it to wherever you want it to be in your position when you're working. So there's our hand all set up, ready to use. These are really top quality items, and here we've got the tips that fit into here, and they do go into here quite a long way compared to, say, like other dummy hands I've seen that pop off when you start to file them. With these, you push them right in, so they are really firm in there, so you'd be able to file it without it popping off. The actual cost for this kit was £160, which does seem like a lot of money, but you can buy all the parts separate if you need them. So you know you have got no need to worry about this breaking or whatever. You can buy all the parts. They're also acetone safe, so you can, if you get acrylic onto here, you can soak the fingers in acetone and it will just come off. I will post some pictures of nails that I've done on here, and I hope that that's been of use to you. So if you want to get a practice hand that looks absolutely real, like a real hand, and you want to use it for photography to show your nails off, then these are going to be the ideal situation. So if you can afford it, get one of these from Handolly. So I hope that was helpful. This is John signing out from the Professional Nail School and Beauty Academy. See you soon.